Hello, my name is Chris, and today I'd like to talk about the final impression you leave in a business email, the courteous closing. While it may seem like a small detail, the way you close an email plays an important role in how your message is received. A courteous closing reinforces professionalism, respect, and goodwill. In business communication, your sign-off should always be polite and appropriate to the relationship. Common professional closings include kind regards, best regards, and sincerely. These expressions are neutral, respectful, and suitable for most professional situations. When writing to colleagues you work with regularly, for example, emails between the team of our fictional IT startup VR Technologies, a slightly warmer closing may be appropriate. For example, best or many thanks. However, it's important to avoid overly casual endings, such as slang or emojis, as they can undermine professionalism. Your closing should also match the tone of the email. A formal message should end formally, while a friendly update can end in a warmer but still professional way. In summary, a courteous closing helps you end your email on a respectful and professional note. By choosing the appropriate sign-off, you leave a positive final impression and reinforce clear, effective communication. How you end an email is just as important as how you begin it.